give you this one more time. This is on 75 going south, going northbound towards downtown. Going right here on Schaefer where a truck, I don't know what happened to.
Southbound, this southbound.
No, they going northbound. The truck is, going northbound is cut off. If you go northbound, you cut off right here at Schaefer. This is where this happened. Southbound is going towards Ohio. Okay, now, if you're going towards downtown, you can see more fire trucks coming down here. But you don't see no news around here because they all banned. They all banned. Only one news get this. And look, we went through the swamp and the terrain to get here. And look, we here, and ain't nothing you can do about it. They coming, y'all. They coming. They coming. They coming, y'all. Look, I don't know if they're driving here or not. I don't think so. But, look, that looks like some good bottles of water right there, man. I'm telling you, I should grab a couple cases.
Yeah. We gonna get some.
Look, I need to promote that water that's on the ground.
All over everywhere.
Well, we right here we on I-75. We on I-75 right now, the hood news. We doing this down there. The police ain't doing nothing. You don't see 247, 50 CNN, nobody. Look, you don't see nobody but me. The hood news, baby. That's right. That's all you see right here right now on these tough. Now look, we had to go through the jungles. We had to go through the terrain. We had to go through the swamps just to get here. Them other news people won't do what we do. They won't do this. I'm telling you.
Let's go get some water, man.
I need to find out what kind of water is that on the ground. Bring me a bottle, my man. Bring me a bottle. Let me see who water this is. What we got here? Now look, I never heard of this, Brian. Y'all heard of this? I never heard of Kirkland purified water. Y'all ever heard of this? But look, I guess this might be some Canada water. You think so?
Yeah, it is.
Canadian water. I never heard of this. Never seen it in America. It must be some Canadian water, but look, we're going to take this with us. Kirkland, buy your, look, stay tuned. This is sponsored by Kirkland Water. Drink your water Canadian style. Okay, the boy is back on, the boy is back on smoking over there right now. You can see that the truck is back on getting the smoking. Look, we got permission. We got permission to be up here. We got permission to be up here. And that's right. Look, can't nobody touch us. Now look, we want to find out. We got to get us a case of this water. If they kick us off the freeway, they're going to have to give us a case. More fire trucks and stuff is coming up here. We still up here on 75, and they got cases of Kirkland purified water. I don't know where this might be a Canadian truck. Let's see what we got here. They steady coming, y'all. They steady coming from downtown. They steady coming. But look, now we finna get moved out here on the police. I guarantee you they're gonna tell us to move. But look, they gave us permission. Now look, the truck is back on fire. Now, the police is making their way down this way to us. Now, look. I'ma tell you. It ain't a newscast out there for free that do the shit I do. I just went through the terrain and the swamps and all that shit just to bring you this shit here. Look at this. All this mud and shit I just went through. But, just to prove a point, we don't have to live in Bloomfield Hill. We don't have to live in St. Clair Shore or, Birmingham or, Wall Lake. Or we don't have to live out there. We live straight hood. We don't have no college degree. That's them other folks, 2, 4, and 7. They got that college degree and they get paid. We don't have no college degree. We don't even have a GED. And we don't even get paid. But we live in the hood because we straight up hood. Now look, you can see they coming down from one way. We straight up hood. They coming down from one way. We having fun before we get thrown out of here, y'all. Hood, yeah, we the best. Look, I'm gonna tell you this. I'm tell you this. We having so much fun. We staying here until they throw us out of here. We ain't going nowhere. And then we don't want to go. We ain't going nowhere. That's how the news is. Now look, I'm thinking about running for office. Because if I run for office, if they throw me out of the room every time I knock on the door, that's a good damn rap for you. You know, so if I run for office, I need your vote. Let's go back to this. No, we don't have that. We don't have shit. We don't have shit. Now look, we don't have nothing. We don't nothing. Look. That's some folks for 2, 4, and 7. They got GEDs. I mean, they got college degrees and all that shit. They stay in the rich neighborhood. We stay in the hood. We ain't got no GEDs. We ain't got shit. We ain't got shit. We don't even talk right. We don't even talk right. They talk proper. We talk improper. I'm telling you that right now. Shit. Look, the truck is back on fire, y'all. The truck is back on fire. Look, you don't see 247, nobody out here. Nobody but hood. Nobody but hood. Now look, we gonna have to promote this water here, y'all. Cause look, they lost a lot of water on the freeway. We gonna promote this water. The name of it is Kirkland Purified Water. Mr. Kirkland, if you hear us, all your water's right here on the freeway. Right here on the freeway. I-75 running down the freeway. And look, I'm telling you, if it's a water shortage anywhere in Southwest Detroit, come on up the swamp, come on up here, I got you. Run up here and I got you. I don't care, bring buggies, bring everything. I got you. Come up here the way I came up here. I'm going to get you cases and cases of Kirkland Purified Water. Oh, no. We ain't ready yet. We ain't ready yet. I need a case of Kirkland water. Look, they all down the freeway. Look, let's see where they come from. Let's see where this. Let's see. What it say? Look, it say a nickel in New York. Look, it say a nickel in New York. It say 5 cent New York or 10 cent. I think that's California. Hell, we might have hit a lick. We might have hit a lick. This is New York water.
New York water.
Or California. I think we might have hit a lick. Let me show my readers this again. Let's go back to this again. Now look, help me out. It said a nickel in New York or 10 cents in CA. Look, this is imported water, y'all. We might have hit a lick. Wait a minute. We want all that water. We want all the water. Give me all this shit out here. Look, I need all my people to come up this cliff. Come on up this right now and get some damn water.
Free water.
Some free water. Mention my name and get 2 cases free.
Tell them it's all over the freeway.
It's all over 75. Now, yep. Come on up here and get 2 cases. Bring a buggy. If you're a senior, we'll roll it. If you're a senior, we'll roll it down the hill. We'll roll the water down the hill to you. Yep. Look, now straight up, look. Oh, the water is sold at Costco's. Well, Costco's, all your shit is on the freeway. All your shit, I dare you.
Right now.
Yeah, all your shit is on the freeway.
From one side to the other one.
Yeah, here go the state troopers right there. Look, the state troopers ain't saying shit to us. Look, they know who we is. You see them right there? They look. The thing about it, if 247 come, they're gonna tell us to leave. Yeah, I hope they don't come. They're gonna tell us to leave. Cause they don't bother me until the other news people come. Oh, let's get our water. Look, this is for the first 100 people. Come up here at the bottom. Come up here at the bottom of the hill, and come on to get you like 5 cases of water. We gonna roll this shit down the hill. Come in the hole. Come right here where they shot the movie BMF. This is where they shot the movie BMF over here. Come on down here right now. Come to the bottom of the hill and get you some cases of water free on the Hood News. Free on the Hood News. And for the first people who come up here in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you some additional crates. The black crates right there in the middle of the road. I'm going to give you cases of water along with the black crates. Look at here. You finna get, look, they trooper finna arrest him. They finna arrest you for that water. Look. They're not gonna need it. They're not gonna need it. Let's see. Look. Look. Now look. Oh, you want some water? Look. There you go. Throw the water down the hill. Water. Look. Throw the water. There you go. Water. Now, come on. Throw the water. Water. How you doing, sir? Now look. Look. Sir, I just want to say we appreciate what y'all do. We appreciate what y'all do here. Yeah, yeah.
Don't take these cases because they still belong to a company.
Okay. Now look. Yeah, thank you. Now look. He said don't take the cases, but you can take all the loose bottles you want. Because the cases belong to a company. But he said you can take all the loose bottles. Now look. I ain't going for that shit because you know what that means? That means you cleaning up for them. Look. Look at all these loose waters going up the freeway. You say, don't take the cases, take the loose ones. See? You ain't gonna get me to clean up for free. Nope. You ain't gonna get me to clean up for free. I ain't going for that one right there. Look, he doing it. Look, come on up. Don't take the cases, but you can take the loose ones. Now, the loose one's going all the way up 75. The loose one's going all the way up 75. But look, I'm going on the freeway. Forget this. I'm coming on the freeway. I'm coming on the freeway. Forget this here. Now, look, we on the freeway. Permission's granted. Now, look at this. Look. Here go the rig right here. Don't take the waters. Look, we on the freeway. You don't see nobody on the freeway but us. Look. That's right. That's right. We on the freeway. Nobody up here but us. Permission granted. Now look, you don't see 2, 4, 7, none of them boys. Look, I'm gonna tell you, don't take my footage without asking for permission. All you news people, don't take my footage. Ask for permission first. Look, and also if you take it, email me a gas card. Give me some damn gas. Quit taking my damn footage. I ain't asking for much. But how about throwing the brother about $50? Look, it started back smoking. Nope. Look, he say, don't take the cases, but take the bottles of water. In other words, clean up out of here. Clean up and we ain't gonna pay you a dime. Look, mama ain't raised no fool. I don't think so. I ain't taking nothing. Look. Now look, for the first 100 people to come right here and meet me right here with this K-Rock at, this is for my first 100 people right here. My first 100 people right here. If you come right here, I got something for you. Now look, right here on the freeway. Now look, these waters right here. Now look, we're gonna get a back shot. Don't nobody have permission like this but the hood news. Look at this. We got all the traffic is backed up back there. Look at that. See that? Everything is backed up but me. Look, here come the police now. Look, we got to go. He come.